Girl power is that confidence when you walk into a room and you just kind of light it up. Like everybody, it can feed off of your confidence, and you're confident, you're making other girls confident.
Laughing is a big part of girl power to me because when you laugh, you become happy, and being happy makes other people happy.
One of the times when I feel girl power the most is when I'm walking to class and I'll put my earphones in, and honestly I'll play any of the songs from the Victoria's Secret fashion show and I'll channel my inner Candace or Adriana or literally any of the models.
With my girls, I like to go to Zumba. I love dancing, it's real fun. Getting ice cream, going to the lake, just having a good time, sleepovers, listening to music.
My girl power role model is definitely my mom. She totally just embodies everything that girl power means to me. I feel like she always just stays true to herself, and she never lets anyone get in the way of what she wants to accomplish. She never lets anyone's judgments get to her.
I feel most girl power when I'm walking to class and like I got up and it's just like it's gonna be a good day.
What I would tell other girls is to always lift yourself up and don't be so down on yourself, and always be yourself.
Girl power means being the best woman you can be for everyone around you, not just to benefit yourself, but to benefit all women in the world so that we can all become one strong power together.
Girl power.
Girl power. Girls.
Okay. Make a point. And this is girl power.
Yes. Oh gosh, I wish I had a donut in my hand. That would be what describes me.